everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. So today I have a very short yet helpful video for you guys. In this video, I've actually featured this brand called Daughter Earth. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you'd probably know this, that I love Daughter Earth's lip and cheek tint. It's really nice and this brand is very underrated, so do check them out. And yes, with that being said, let's get started with the video. So I'm starting off with the Vitamin E lip mask from Daughter Earth. Now this is slightly tinted. This is one of the most moisturizing lip masks that I've ever used. And this is how it looks. I'm going to take a little scoop of it and apply it on my lips. You should leave it overnight for better results. But since I was filming, I just left it on for 30 minutes. Smells amazing. Like, yeah. So that's what I'm doing right now. And then I'm going to leave it on for 30 minutes. And after that, I'm going to take a cotton pad and gently exfoliate my lips. The results were stunning. My lips felt so smooth. Then I'm taking this lip balm from Daughter Earth again. It's non-tinted and it's non-sticky, and just applying it generously on my lips. Next, I'm taking this brown terracotta lip liner and just lining my lips so that, I can define my lips well for the nice juicy look. And lastly, I'm taking this lipstick from Daughter Earth again. This shade is called Sultry Cocoa. It's one of the most beautiful and most comfortable formulas that I've ever used. Just look at the shade. Love this. You guys, this is my new everyday favorite shade. So comfortable on the lips. And do this if you don't want lipstick on your teeth. So that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed and liked this. If you did, then don't forget to let me know in the comments. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye-bye.